and welcome to Endeavor, a monthly video update from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover the abundant opportunities you have to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Sweigart, Sales Director. Thank you for joining us this month for Endeavor. We have a variety of reasons for you to visit Garden Spot Village in April. Backed by popular demand is the Plain Living series, co-sponsored by Mennonite Life. On 3 evenings in April, we will offer conversations with people from the local Amish and Mennonite communities on issues they face in the Plain community. Visit the events page of our website to learn more. The month of April, we will offer a series of open houses featuring a variety of home types. During these open houses, you will have the unique opportunity to tour homes and interact with the residents who live there. Visit gardenspotvillage.org/visit to register for the date you want to join us. Also through the month of April, we will host Inside the Cover in our Main Street Art Gallery. This art exhibition features instructors from Pennsylvania College of Art and Design and offers an inside look. Discover how local artists approach illustrations for children's books. To find an up-to-date list of events available to the public, please visit the events page of our website. This has been Endeavor from Garden Spot Village, where you will discover the abundant opportunities you have to live with purpose in community. I'm Kelly Sweigart, and I look forward to seeing you soon.